It's been an interesting time for those following our digital marketing series. In the last episode, we talked about how you can grow your business using Facebook and Instagram as marketing platforms. This time, we're bringing you details on how you can exploit email services to grow your sales. Stay with me, guys. I'll be right back. Hello everyone, welcome to your bi-weekly online business show, Business in Minutes. I'm your host, Mercy. Email has been in use since the 1970s and it is used to send information from person to person over the internet. As a business owner, are you aware that email can be used as a tool for marketing your brand, products and services? Stay tuned as we bring effective ways of growing your sales using email marketing. Email marketing can be tough task if it's done manually. Therefore, ensure to have automation tools like Sendinblue, MailChimp, Drip, and a host of others. These tools allow you to create, organize, and send mails. With these tools, also, you can follow up on customers and send the right messages at the right time. The first step to grow your sale through email marketing is to identify your target audience. This means you have to build your email list. This list contains email addresses of the prospective and existing customers you would like to reach. Now, the question is, how do you generate the email list? Subscription to some free offer is an excellent way of building your email list. You could offer something for free, asking people to get it by subscribing with their email address. The offer has to be something valuable and relevant to the customers you want. It could be anything like free updates on products and services, trials and samples, or even a discount to your first customer. But try to make your free offer attractive. You know, when you make it attractive, the prospective customers would sign up to receive mails from you and supply their address immediately. You can generate subscription form with automation tools like SendPulse and others. Please note that you need to group your list of subscribers into smaller segments. This allows you to meet specific needs of subscribers and send a single mail to different subscribers at the same time with similar interests. Now that your list is set, the next thing to put in place is a suitable content. Whether you are marketing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or email, your content should be great at all times. When you send emails, they should contain enticing details and pictures of your products. You know, uninteresting content could put off your customers, and a beautifully designed landing page with compelling content can do the magic. It is essential to personalize your email and addressing the recipient by their first name as if it is being addressed to just one person. Ensure that a large part of your email gives value to customers before introducing the product you want to sell. This also has a way of increasing the customer's engagement rate. You can send emails regularly or at interval, but whichever way you do it, make sure you're consistent about it. Also, there is the risk of the recipient not opening the mails you send to them at all. So, how do you get more subscribers to open your mail? Quickly, let's look at how that is done. Ensure the subject line of your email is precise enough to get the attention of the customer at the first glance. Prevent your mail from falling into scam folder by ensuring subscribers actually opted in to receive those emails. You also want to study your target audience to know the best time to send them emails. Then maintain a fresh list by removing inactive subscribers from time to time. Autoresponders are essential to maintain follow-up. For example, sending email to welcome new subscribers or to thank a customer for buying a product should be automated so that mails are automatically sent to subscribers while you pay attention to other things. To improve your email marketing results, you can consider the following: upsell and cross-sell. Upsell and cross-sell are improvement strategies that makes a customer buy more than planned. While upsell means promoting more expensive and better products instead of the customer's initial choice, cross-sell involves introducing similar products to the customers. The good news is that upsells and cross-sell email can be automated. You can as well send milestone emails like making an offer on your 5th year anniversary. Running engagement campaign also works to get more loyalty from existing customers. And you can send emails to convey rewards to loyal customers. Lastly, don't forget to get feedback. Just like every other marketing platform, you need to monitor your progress and improve when necessary. Get to know whether your mail are being opened and whether subscribers actually click on the link provided in the email. If many customers unsubscribe at the same time, find out what has gone wrong and fix it, because high unsubscribe rate is not good for the brand's name. Now that you know how email marketing works, you can now join other business owners around the globe to turn prospects into paying customers and turn one-time buyer into brand loyalists using email marketing. That will be all for today. Thank you for staying with us. We will meet again on Thursday to bring you more interesting tips on how to grow your sales. Also, don't forget to like this video, and you can watch our previous video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Till we see you on Thursday, I love you, and once again, I'm your host, Mercy.